Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes with this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap more, not more. You have to just tap on this eye icon here and select QR code. And now let's try to scan this QR code here. So as you can see, you have to fit it inside this. And here you have website, HardReset.Info. Let's try to open it. And there is no internet connection, unfortunately. But in any way, you saw that that's how you can scan QR codes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.